Hi, welcome back to my final morning report, which I suppose on Wednesday, the 2nd of December, with me, Rich Poe, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at gold, and we've had this rally on gold in the last couple of days, rallying off the support at 1,052.50, hitting 1,074, which is about sort of $22. I will show you that this is a fairly standard rally on gold, and I don't think it changes a great deal. You've got a slight improvement in the momentum though. RSI at 34, which is a 4-week high. Stochastics are beginning to rise as well. I'm not convinced though that this can be considered to be a buy signal, certainly on the stochastics anyway, because I think there's such a significant overhead supply on gold that I think that this rally is just going to be sold into once again. I spoke yesterday about these sort of $20 rallies, $25 rallies that you get on gold, or you have done in the last few weeks, sort of that are seen throughout the the corrective phases within the downtrend. And it seems to be that still is the case. Now that downtrend has arguably been it's been tested and arguably broken, but I wouldn't say it's really sort of been completely blown out of the water, because you're still in this sort of phase of lower highs and lower lows, and you've had this $20 rally, $22 in fact, but you've had this rally. You've seen the momentum indicators rolling over. You've seen a rally towards an initial line of resistance, 74.50. That's where the rally has sort of turned over. Again, you've got further resistance at 1080, and also 1080 450. So a lot of resistance still in place on this gold chart. A lot of a lot of traders who would have been buying at these levels are now thinking, well, is this a chance to sell? That gives the overhead supply for the bears. I think if you look at these hourly stochastics, there is a slight bearish divergence going on here with the rally highs and the lower high on the stochastics. So does that suggest that the momentum has been lost in this rally? So I think ultimately it's going to be allied to dollar strength in this chart, but this chart is still telling me that this is a mini rally that's going to be given to be a chance to sell, and I'm not trusting this as an improvement in the outlook. So at the moment I'm still expecting a retest of the lows, 1052.50, and that's what I think is going to happen. You're probably going to see a bit of fluctuation in this ahead of the payrolls report. The payrolls report, I think, is going to give the gold some direction. It always tends to give gold direction, so you need to watch out for that on Friday. But in front of that, I think I'd still be selling into this little rally for a prospect of a retest of the low. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.